Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with PRC. In this video, we are going to learn a very interesting concept in a data structure, that is a multiple queue. So what if I tell you that we can store more than one queue in a single array? Yes, that's exactly what we will learn today. So in the previous video, we have already covered the priority queue using array and using linked list. Please check that video, okay? And then you will surely understand the fully data structure and the queue concept. So first let's understand the concept a multiple queue. So what is a multiple queue? That means when we want to store two or more queues in a single memory space. Normally, we create separate arrays for each queue, but that wastes memory actually. So instead, we use one array efficiently for the multiple queues. So you can have a scenario of, you can say, ticket counter system. So one queue is for VIPs, right? And one queue for a regular user and one queue for the online booking. So all queues exist together but serves different purposes. है ना, अलग अलग पर्पज से काम कर रहा है. एक वीआईपी के लिए काम कर रहा है, एक रेगुलर यूजर के लिए, एंड देयर इज अ ऑनलाइन बुकिंग आल्सो. सो व्हाई डू वी नीड इट? So better memory utilization, avoid wastage of space, efficient management of a multiple task, especially useful in a, you can say, CPU scheduling, all right, printer systems, and multiple user system, all right. So this is all about what that's all about here, multiple queue. Okay, so multiple queue basically stores more than one queue in a single data structure. Now let's talk about the types of it. So we have a four types actually. Okay. So enough types, as you know already that uh, uh, there is a linear queue as well. They are different actually. These are types of the multiple queue. Do not confuse in that. So first is the two queues in one array. So when you are saying that you have a one array and you want to store two queues, दो क्यू को आपको एक ही एरे में स्टोर करना है, तो दैट इज अ मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, so what is the concept here? One queue starts from the left side and second queue starts from the right side. They grow towards each other and maximum space utilization will be there. All right, so how it works actually? Suppose you are saying Suppose you are saying this is a queue, as I am writing here queue as this way. Okay. This is your array. Suppose first, this is the array. All right. You have a number of elements you can store. Okay. So we are writing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are the index values. All right. So Q1, this is a Q1. Q1 starts from this side and Q2 starts from the right side. Okay, so here you can see front is -1, rear is -1. Okay, and here you can say front, this is a front one and this is a R1. Okay, this is front 2 and this is R2. All right, so front 2 and front rear 2 will get the value of size, whatever the size is. Okay, okay, whatever the size. So it will grow in a right side and this will grow in the left side. That's how you can do it. Okay. All right, so this is the Q1 elements will store here and here Q2 elements will store here. For that you have to make certain programs, है ना, उसके लिए आपको certain condition लगानी पड़ेगी. You can do. All right. So this is what this is. You can say 2Q. You want to store in the one array. All right. So this is what this is a one type. Okay. Now next we have a multiple queue using a single array. So idea is this: more than 2Q you can upload in a one array. That you can say the idea is you can divide array into the parts. आप parts में divide कर दो. If you have 4 arrays, if you have 5 arrays, so 5 you can है ना, 5 equal parts में you can divide. Means what? If you have 10 number of elements, so 10 divided by 5. So 2 elements of all Q, है ना, you can upload. Okay, so divide array into two parts. Used it basically it uses dynamically memory allocation using pointer. Dynamic memory allocation use करता है using pointers. So example I have written, suppose you have this q1 q2 q3 like that way you can say. If you have array like this, है ना, ये array है. Okay, so index से start कर लो. So you have q1, so q1 will start from here. And Q2 will start from here, Q3 will start from there, and this Q4 will be like this. Okay? So, or you can say, you can share the space also. Space भी share कर सकते हो. That's on you. I told you about if you have 10 number of elements you want to store, 5 array you have, 4 array you have, so you can divide like that way. है ना? 2 elements per queue you can store. Alright, so this is the second type. So basically in the second type, what we have here as multiple queue. You can say multiple queue आप क्या कर सकते हो, लगा सकते हो. So more than two queues in one array can be there. Okay, you have to simply divide it, nothing else. हमें divide करना है और we can store the elements. All right. Okay. Now next. So the next type is. So the next type is a multiple actually. Okay. So we have multiple. So in this, basically, you can say circular multiple queue. So each cube behaves like a circular cube. All right, the feature is wrap around is allowed here. Better space utilization is there. So you can say end will connect to the start. So you can say circular queue, है ना? But a multiple circular queue you can have. Suppose you can, okay. So I'm writing here a queue. Okay, suppose we have multiple, we can store here multiple elements, so we can divide further in a multiple arrays, sorry, multiple queues. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10 elements I can store. So if I am having a suppose we have two arrays, so we can add, है ना, we can divide it like that way, है ना, q1 q2, q1 will start from here and q2 will start from there. Okay, so this is how we can do it. All right. So it will say the better space utilization. So end connect to the start, end connect start end आपका start से connect हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so no space wastage is there. Continuous operation you can perform. So this is what multiple circular multiple queue. All right, this is a simple one. So in this, basically, we have a sufficient space for contiguous operation. All right. Now next is a multiple queue using linked list. So you can also have each element. You can say each queue is implemented using linked list. The idea is what, to separate linked list for each queue. No fixed size is there. So limitation यही है, यहाँ पे कोई fixed size नहीं है. Dynamic space memory allocation है. Right, and you can say flexible, it is very flexible, है ना, whatever you required in that you can say in a 2 queue, है ना, जिसमें हमारा 2 queue टाइप का है, जो मल्टीपल क्यू हमारा टाइप का है, that you can say is a limited actually in flexible, but it is very good, it's a best one. लिंक लिस्ट तो बेस्ट है, क्यों, क्योंकि देयर इज नो स्पेस कंस्ट्रेंट, स्पेस का कोई कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है, यू कैन ऐड एज मच एज यू वांट, राइट. All right, so let's now talk about the comparison. So if I want to make a comparison, these are types of the multiple queues. So we have two, we have multiple. K I'm writing as, suppose you are writing four multiple queues है ना, फोर है हमारे पास, कभी आप बोल रहे पांच है, कभी छह बोल रहे हो, कभी सात बोल रहे हो, whatever. So that's why I'm writing here K. So that is a multiple queue. Do not confuse, okay? And next we have a circular queue. Okay, circular multiple queue, and then we have linked list multiple queue. So in this मेमोरी की अगर आप बात करते हैं, तो इन अ 2 queue में दैट्स अ बेस्ट अ गुड यू कैन से. वी हैव हेयर बेस्ट, we have in a circular multiple queue mein we have best, in this we have a better, not much good, not much bad, right, that's you can say multiple. And in a linked list multi queue we have a dynamic memory allocation, as you know very well, है ना, जहाँ पे भी आप लिंक लिस्ट यूज कर रहे हो वहाँ पे डायनेमिकली ही होगा, राइट. नाउ कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी वाइज वी कैन से इट इज वेरी इजी, कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं होता ना ये ज्यादा, है ना, and this is also very easy, but these two are very you can say not so easy as compared to 2 queue multiple queue and linked list multiple queue. So this is how you can say. Flexible है, you can change accordingly, है ना, आप accordingly change कर सकते हो. This is limited, you can say this is good and this is the best. So this is a comparison. All right. So this is all about your multiple queue. If you have any kind of query, write in a chat box. And if you understand this concept, please like this video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Learn with PRC. All right. In the next video, we will introduce a new topic, right? That is a tree. Okay, so tree is very important. Okay, we have already completed stack, queue, linked list, array. We have already completed all operations. Please check that videos also. We have done searching techniques as well. Okay, and we have already completed sorting techniques. So please check that also. Okay, I will share a full playlist link. Okay, just click on that and you can start your learning. Okay, data structure. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.